Hello. Connection check. I just waiting till when my phone pick up the stream, so I can say, okay, it's live and sound. Okay. Hello, dear ladies, gentlemen, subscribers, viewers, just occasional visitors. We continue today my 152 days streaming challenge. Today is day number 13, and we are still working around. Let me close something on my screen. Working with transcription, ChatGPT, Whisper model, and all of that. On our last stream, we know how to download anything from YouTube. So we created a command line util which called download. Let me transition to my screen. Yeah, you can see that. And when we execute download, basically, download, but is it PowerShell? Okay, it's PowerShell. Okay, let's just, so we said that we can create a shortcut on desktop to execute it, or we can go to some folder and execute our download script and just enter YouTube URL. Basically any YouTube URL. I've recently created those accounts, so there are not much not much to download. I'm just looking for some short video, not short, but quite short. Maybe that 8 minutes. Okay, let's do with that 7 minutes video. We just copy that video URL, go here, insert it, choose, for example, just mp3 audio because it's something we need to transcribe that video, and it start downloading, and it's downloaded. So all the prerequisites required to make it work we discussed on our last stream. This stream will continue with our plan to transcription and getting good result to work with ChatGPT. So yes, test is here, and if we go to the test folder, let's add folder like they created, and let's hide anything else like album. We don't need that. So 20 hero animals that saved human lives, and if we switch it on, where's my sound? Okay, we have a sound. Cool. So next step is to go to Google Colab and transcribe that video. Why we need that? Because especially with different languages, Google don't do a great work. Even with English videos, not every video on YouTube has transcriptions, etc. If you somehow could receive your video transcriptions and it's very good, it's fine. You can jump to the next step, which will be ChatGPT prompt, but we will review it probably next stream. So Google Colab, let's open our plan for our future video, and we have described all those steps and basically we can use recording of my stream to make those part of this video. Now create notebook with Whisper model large. So opening Google Colab, we just need to put every link we use, so it will be easier to insert into video description. Let's search for Google Colab. Basically, we can just ask What is a Google Colab? From ChatGPT. It says that it's cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment provided by Google, and it has free access to GPU and TPU. So basically we can execute some of powerful, resourceful task for free. Yes, it's easy sharing and collaboration, which we don't need. No setup required. It's a big plus because we can execute something inside browser without local installing it. And as we already know, local installing Whisper, it's nice, but it could have some issues, and not anyone probably could resolve those issues. Okay, some integrations, some rich text, some libraries, and common use is machine learning, educational purposes, or prototyping. So yeah, basically we need that for data analysis, basically, or basically executing machine learned model, which is Whisper. So it says just visit Google Colab. Does it provide a link? No, it doesn't provide. So we just go search for Google Colab. Interesting. Is it saying that I have drops? No, looks like right now no drops. Cool. If by chance anyone will join, please free to drop a hi, or if you will watch that video and recording, please leave your comment just to know that someone watching me. Okay, so basically we go to Colab, research Google.com. Is it getting started? Really? File, open new notebook. Google Colab, research Google. Okay, when we open it, it just proposed us those screen. Those one is default. Yeah, I have a full house today, and there are many people, and yeah, I asked them to make to keep more silent, but they immediately forgot. So sorry if you have any noises. Or we have one notebook which we already created before, which called Whisper. So let's start with some steps. So opening Google Colab. Let's say navigate to. Okay, you can use your Google credentials. It's free. Basically, if you use any Google product like Gmail, etc., you can use the same Google credentials. Okay, let's go to the next step. Let's create new notebook. Okay, let's go here. Create new notebook with Whisper model, and we says click new notebook. Do we have any code? So last time we asked ChatGPT to write some code for us. We can do it even this time. Hi, can you please write a code for Google Colab which will run the Whisper model large B3 version, correct, and transcribe uploaded audio file. Please save result SRT file, SRT and TXT files into the same folder. Okay, so it's step-by-step guide. We need few So we need to install open Whisper. Let's go and execute it step by step. So set up environment. Let's try execute it just to see if it's working nice. Maybe we just need go to edit to notebook settings and say GPU. Okay, GPU. Save. I'm not a robot. Palm tree. Do you like palm trees or not? Okay, let's call it executing transcriptions. And if you click share, let's anyone with link, and we can do copy link, and yeah, we can use copy link and insert into our. So with that notebook, everyone can open it and create a copy of that notebook, so for their own need. But actually, let me try to do that. Let's open private browser window. Let's see if it's really open the same notebook. Yeah, in that. Okay, actually it's open, and yeah, to execute we need to sign in. Okay, but nice, we can open the same notebook. Cool, so I can share it instead of sharing the whole code, but if you want to do it yourself, you see, it's pretty simple. Okay, let's try next step. Once we install everything we need, we just create new section and just import everything we need and import the model. Let's do that. Yeah, load model will take some time, and you see we are using CUDA. CUDA because in edit notebook settings. Okay, we selected T4 GPU. Let's add that into our file. Just make sure that everyone has good results. Go to edit notebook settings, check T4 GPU. Nice. So now we're using GPU, which is required to execute fast models like Whisper. Basically, mostly many models. Okay, uploading your file. Can say cancel, add new code, and see what is here. Okay, we don't want to execute it for every uploaded file, or maybe we can leave that code as is. Okay, let's try to copy all that code, insert it here. So what does that code do? It's look for all the uploaded files, and for each uploaded file it's move it to content files, and it's show our file, then audio file, uploaded file, audio file. Okay, then model transcribe audio file. Okay, it just pick up the last audio file uploaded. Maybe it's good. Yeah. Then it's show content transcriptions, create that folder if it doesn't exist. Then it's executed result. So basically it's go and take from result text, put it transcription txt, and then for segments it just upload it into the segments in SRT format. Okay, it's output list of the files and try to download both files. Okay, let's go to the file section and upload some of the file we had before. So we go to Romantic Developer folder to test. We just recently downloaded file which is called Hero Animals That Saved Human Lives. Let's see if it can transcribe that file. Okay, it's just saying that because it's not paid version of Google Colab, our environment will be removed after some time, but it's more than enough for us to actually execute our transcriptions and preserve the results. So, okay, now we can hide that and try to execute that as is, and if it will not work as we expect, uploaded files upload. Oh, basically it just asks that files upload. You see, I didn't know that functionality exists. So let's choose file. Okay, so basically it's do everything for us. So it's uploaded file. Let's see where. Let's see, it's upload file uploaded, and then it's create folder content file name. Okay, while it's do, let's remove that file just to see clear results. So it's 35% done, 36. Let's wait, it shouldn't last too long. Yeah, it's a good script because it's basically to just execute everything. We will see how to execute everything very soon, and we just upload our files, and it will, as many files we upload it. Yeah, accidentally clicked mute button. It will transcribe all of them. So yeah, it's copied the file right here. It's nice that we removed it before. So it says, okay, uploaded file. So basically it says uploaded file. Now it's executing Whisper model, which is large version 3. And once it executes that Whisper model, it will create folders here, transcriptions, and it will write files to that folder. And after that it says transcription saved. So let's see. Yeah, it's still executing. You see it's provides some information about the current step. So right now we in transcribe. Yeah, nice. It's taken already 2 minutes, but we saw that transcription, even very simple and short file in on local computer without properly set up code and everything, it will take even longer. Okay, we already have 20 minutes of stream, which is nice. we just receive, hopefully we can receive our transcribed version of file, and we continue with ChatGPT prompts during next stream or streams. And then we combine our final video and we'll switch to different topic, unless you have any questions. Even executing something in browser actually eating some of my it would be nice to execute it with my small file, my test file, which we recorded during our previous stream. It's the one of the previous stream where I speak several languages. It's really short, like under 1 minute, and see how long it will take to transcribe, so it's fun. Okay, anyway, anytime it will use, let's see for our resources. So it use system memory like 5.7 gigabytes. Cool. It says it executes, it's finished execution, and basically it's downloaded, yeah, hello, it downloaded transcription txt, hello, and yeah, let's see the results. Upload file, transcription saved. Transcriptions, we have two files in txt format and srt format. Okay, we just can download them. Okay, let's just see what we have in those files. Let's click open, downloads, transcriptions. Okay, I think maybe it's not did a perfect job of transcribing, because maybe there are some sounds of animals here. But let's see how, let's see if SRT is stored as well. It's stored. Let's open it as well, just to see the file, downloads, all files, transcriptions. Okay, we see that basically it's transcribed video. Yeah, so it's transcribed. Let's test with my file, which we have before. It's really short, and I can see quality of the transcriptions very, very fast. Let's switch back to our notebook, and let's, yeah, we created so we can, probably we can combine these two cells together, but that cell we can execute it as many times as we want transcription. So we start executing it and it asks us for a file. We go and provide our test file, which is here in Romantic Developer, and it's all called something like test. Okay, that it is. So it's uploading. Does it uploading? I see some drop frames, and I really don't know what's happening. My CPU usage is really low. Maybe I need to switch to 30 frames per second, not 60. I don't know why we need 60 when we have personal screen, mostly static screen. Okay, we uploaded our file here. If you refresh, we should see, and transcription was very fast. You see, it was super fast. And let's see the transcription results. So let's open our downloads and let's all files, and it will be transcription 1. Hello, my name is Dmitro, I'm a romantic developer. I do online streaming in English, but I know I like Ukrainian. Here it is. Привет, друзі. Yeah, it's exactly what I said. So, again, transcriptions for me working just great, and not only for me, for many other streams in different languages. It worked mostly perfectly. So yeah, now we know the way how to receive our files. Maybe, let's just ask very quickly, hey, can you save transcribed files with the same name as input file? So we don't have transcription 1, transcription 2, etc, etc. Let's see what it have changed. So basically it's added that variable base file name. Let's add it to our notebook. Okay, result. So, and when we do actually file saving, just provided better names, not transcription, but it's provided. Oh, I forgot to copy that comment. So base file name txt, base file name srt. With that, we will not have the transcriptions in that folder, like transcriptions 1, transcription 2, which will be overwritten, and in download section we will not have something like transcription 1 and by index, but a full file name instead. So let's just verify it very quickly. Choose file, let's choose my test whisper, and let's see what we have in our plan. Upload your file. We just say execute notebook cells preparation 1.2 and second cell. Okay, notebook, upload your file, and it would be execute main notebook cell number 3, which will ask to upload your file. By the way, Google Colab just sent me a notification that it finished my job, so it's very handy as well if you allow notification from your browser. So basically it's create notification on my different screens that it's already finished. And if we refresh our file list, we see that instead of transcription, now it says test whisper English, test English Ukrainian, test English Ukrainian srt and txt, and it's preserved the file with first index because we already have that file in our content here. So cool. We can make sure that it's saved. If we open the same notebook in private session and just reload it, we'll see that now it have everything we put here, even our last file executed. So if we want to use it, we need to, for accessing anything we need to sign in, but again, signing in is free. You just sign in with your Google account, and then probably just go here and say save a copy in Google Drive, and then you can work with that notebook and upload your files, etc., etc. Okay, that sounds good. It's working fine. It was able to download those files. Yes, yeah, it's downloaded that file. So now we have a way how to download any video from multiple platforms, including YouTube. Download only audio part of it just to speed up the process, and how to transcribe it using Google Colab, which is free and free for you, and you can execute it mostly anywhere. Then probably later, if there are any questions, we can work on setting up our local environment to the point when we can use it with comfort. Why? Because if we just install it, which is also could create some carriers, and try to execute it, it will take just a long time. If we want to execute it faster using all our resources of our computer, our graphical card, which probably we have, it's require some additional configurations, which I haven't done yet. So if you will be interested, we can return to that point, but at least we executed it locally and we know that it's working fine. So next stream, let's see, main notebook. So let's say check your downloaded video assertive and txt format have been successfully double downloaded. So section 2 is complete on this stream, section 1 is complete on previous stream, and then our next stream will be, we will concentrate on using ChatGPT to do that work, and then we can combine our final video, which will be much shorter, just to see how I execute it without all that lyrical digression, yeah. Oh, I already closed it. Lyrical digression. Yeah, looks like lyrical digression, shift of subjects. So without any lyrical digression, just information and that's it. But if you really need, if you have any questions or really want to go into something deeper, I always will help you with that and show how we can utilize some technologies like ChatGPT to do it faster and quicker. Okay guys, have a wonderful time of your day. Have coziness around you and coziness in your heart. See you tomorrow.